this is week 3, the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. So in this box we have the third gift. It's a secret right now. It's a good one though, because it's one of my favorites. And so I'm going to pull it out. So it is the Pine Tree Needle Punch gift set. So with this kit is going to be on sale November 1st. It was regularly $15.99 and it will be on sale for $12.99. So this gift comes with, and I'm going to show you exactly what's actually in here. This one's a nice gift because it does contain actually all the embroidery floss that you will need. You will have a nice piece of weaver's cloth. You will have to take this and actually do an iron-on transfer with it, but that's really very easy. This is your transfer. Once you have it on there, you will need to pick up a nice needle, which we sell. We have an ultra punch needle, or we have another type of needle to use, but you will definitely need that to complete this kit. It will make a really nice decoration, or a pillow, or a small thing in a frame. It could be either one. I started one. So this is actually the back side of it. The front side that you will actually see once it's made up is actually on the reverse, and it actually has small needle loops, and that's what the punch needle does. Okay? We do sell the hoops separately, needles separately, but in this case all the embroidery floss and the rest of the kit is here. But you will need to buy the hoops. The hoops we sell are called Morgan hoops. They're wonderful because they have a groove on the inside which actually holds the fabric really, really well on this, because you will need it to be very taut when you are needle punching. So I hope that y'all view the website and see that the third gift is my favorite. And I hope to talk to y'all soon.